What is consciousness? This question has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. From the depths of our own minds to the farthest reaches of the universe, consciousness remains one of the most elusive and fascinating topics. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the various levels and types of consciousness across the spectrum of beings, diving into the depths of human understanding through the realms of animal intelligence and stretching our imagination towards the possibility of extraterrestrial sentience. Understanding consciousness is not just about asking, what is it, but also where can it exist and in what forms. From the foundational consciousness we share with animals on our planet to the speculative minds that might exist beyond our world, the spectrum of consciousness is vast and varied. Each discovery and theory leads us down new paths of understanding, opening our minds to the complexity of intelligence, awareness, and existence itself. So, why is exploring consciousness important? It not only helps us understand the very essence of our being and our place in the cosmos, but it also pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Are we alone in our experience of the universe? Or is consciousness a universal phenomenon, manifesting in ways beyond our current understanding? Let's dive into this intriguing exploration and uncover the mysteries of consciousness across the universe. Before we can explore the wonders of consciousness across the universe, we must first tackle the formidable task of defining what consciousness actually is. This is no simple feat. Scientists and philosophers alike grapple with distinguishing key aspects such as conscious awareness, self awareness, and sentience. Each term, while interconnected, represents a distinct facet of consciousness, offering insight into the myriad ways intelligence and awareness manifest. Conscious awareness, for instance, refers to the basic level of being aware of one's surroundings. It's the fundamental perception of the world around us, a shared trait among many organisms. Moving a step further, self-awareness encompasses the ability to recognize oneself as an individual, separate from the environment and other entities. This higher level of consciousness allows for introspection and more complex social interactions. Sentience, on the other hand, introduces the capacity to feel sensations and emotions, a sophisticated trait that implies a deeper subjective experience of the world. These nuances in consciousness challenge us to consider not only the presence of awareness, but its depth and complexity across different beings. The scientific and philosophical challenges in establishing clear boundaries and criteria for consciousness are immense. From debates over the neural correlates of consciousness to philosophical inquiries into the nature of experience, the quest to define consciousness pushes the limits of our understanding, inviting us to question what it truly means to be aware, to feel, and to understand. Human consciousness is a marvel in the realm of intelligence, distinguished by its depth and complexity. Beyond the basic levels of conscious awareness and self-awareness, humans possess the distinctive capacity for reflection, future planning, empathy, and a profound understanding of both ourselves and the world around us. One of the most transformative aspects of human consciousness is our ability to empathize. Empathy allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering deep social connections and a sense of community. This emotional bonding is a fundamental aspect of what it means to be human. Language and culture play pivotal roles in shaping our conscious experience, acting as lenses through which we perceive and interpret our reality. The words we use and the cultural contexts in which we live influence how we think, feel, and understand the world, highlighting the diversity of human consciousness. Furthermore, the human ability to understand abstract concepts and engage in deep philosophical thoughts underlines our unique place in the spectrum of consciousness. This capacity enables us to ponder our existence, ethics, and the mysteries of the universe, pushing the boundaries of what consciousness can explore and comprehend. The exploration of human consciousness reveals the intricate layers of our awareness and understanding. As we delve into the complexities of our minds, we uncover the extraordinary potential of human intelligence, opening new windows into the understanding of consciousness itself. Turning our gaze to the animal kingdom, particularly among higher mammals, we encounter fascinating glimpses of consciousness that mirror our own. Dolphins, elephants, and primates exhibit remarkable capacities for emotion, social interaction, and even elements of culture, challenging our preconceptions about the nature of consciousness. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence and complex social structures. They exhibit sophisticated behaviors such as cooperation, tool use, and even self recognition, suggesting a deep sense of awareness and social connectivity that rivals our understanding of consciousness. Elephants, with their astonishing memory and emotional depth, demonstrate behaviors indicative of profound consciousness. They engage in rituals like mourning their dead, showcasing a level of empathy and social complexity previously thought to be uniquely human. Primates, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, offer compelling insights into the origins of human consciousness. Their use of language through signs, emotional expressions, and social hierarchies reflect a rich internal world, suggesting that the seeds of human-like consciousness are present within them. The evidence of self-awareness in these animals is further supported by the mirror test, a classic experiment in which animals recognize themselves in a mirror. Such self-recognition is a clear hallmark of consciousness, underlining the fact that many forms of awareness and understanding are not limited to humans alone. The exploration of consciousness in higher mammals opens up profound questions about the nature of intelligence and the universe's capacity for diverse forms of sentience. It compels us to reconsider the boundaries of consciousness and expands our appreciation for the rich tapestry of life that shares this planet with us. Beyond the realm of mammals, the animal kingdom harbors other astonishing examples of complex consciousness, particularly within the spheres of birds and cephalopods. Corvids, a family including crows and ravens, exhibit cognitive abilities that defy our traditional understanding of bird intelligence. Studies reveal that these birds possess remarkable problem-solving skills, comparable to those of young children. Their use of tools, understanding of cause and effect, and even the ability to plan for the future illustrate a level of intelligence and consciousness that challenges our preconceptions. Cephalopods, including octopuses, squids, and cuttlefish, present another fascinating case of advanced consciousness in invertebrates. Their remarkable camouflage abilities, complex behavior, and problem-solving skills suggest a sophisticated form of awareness. Octopuses in particular have demonstrated incredible feats of intelligence, such as escaping from secured tanks, opening jars to reach prey, and navigating mazes. Their diverse and complex behaviors defy the notion that consciousness is a trait exclusive to vertebrates. The intelligence of corvids and cephalopods raises compelling questions about the evolution of consciousness and its manifestations across different forms of life. It suggests that the capacity for complex cognitive abilities and awareness might be more widespread and varied than previously thought. Exploring the consciousness of these remarkable creatures not only expands our understanding of intelligence beyond the human and mammalian perspective, but also opens our eyes to the incredible adaptability and creativity found in the natural world. Diving deeper into the animal kingdom brings us to a controversial and captivating topic: the consciousness of insects. This debate centers around creatures far smaller than mammals, yet possibly harboring forms of consciousness that challenge our definitions and understanding. Among these, bees are frequently spotlighted for their intricate behaviors and social structures. Bees, with their sophisticated methods of communication through the waggle dance, demonstrate an ability to convey complex information to their hive mates, including directions to distant food sources. This remarkable form of communication suggests a level of cognitive complexity and intentionality that beckons us to rethink our criteria for consciousness in non-human species. Furthermore, bees' capability to learn and remember how to manipulate objects to receive a reward, demonstrating not just instinctual behavior but adaptive learning, pushes the boundaries of what we traditionally consider hallmark traits of consciousness. Assessing consciousness in insects, however, presents significant challenges. The vast evolutionary distance between humans and insects means their forms of consciousness, if present, may be fundamentally different from our own. This difference complicates our attempts to understand or even recognize consciousness in these tiny beings. raising questions about the subjective nature of awareness and the limitations of human perception. The controversy surrounding insect consciousness is not merely an academic debate, but touches upon deeper ethical and philosophical considerations about our treatment of other life forms and the expansive nature of consciousness itself. As we navigate through this contentious discourse, we're reminded of the complexity and diversity that exists within the tapestry of life on our planet, pushing us to expand our boundaries of empathy and understanding. The exploration of consciousness, whether in humans, mammals, birds, cephalopods, or even insects, continually challenges and enriches our understanding of the universe and our place within it. By journeying through the diverse spectrum of consciousness, we open our minds to the myriad ways in which intelligence and awareness might manifest, broadening our perspective on life, intelligence, and the essence of being. As we transition from the biological realms of consciousness to the synthetic, we encounter the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. AI challenges our traditional notions of consciousness, introducing the prospect of machines that could one day achieve a level of awareness comparable to, or even surpassing, human intelligence. At the heart of the discussion on AI consciousness is the Turing test, a concept introduced by Alan Turing in the mid-20th century. The test poses a simple question. If a machine can converse with a human without the human realizing it's a machine, can we consider it intelligent? More so, does this ability hint at consciousness? Current advancements in AI have been impressive, with machines mastering complex games, driving cars, and even composing music. Yet, these achievements stem from sophisticated programming and data processing, rather than an intrinsic sense of self or awareness. The leap from artificial intelligence to artificial consciousness involves not just processing information, but having subjective experiences. It's one thing for AI to recognize patterns or make decisions. It's another entirely for it to feel joy, sorrow, or curiosity. One of the most heated debates surrounding the rise of artificial intelligence revolves around the ethical implications of potentially conscious machines. If an AI were to achieve a level of consciousness, what moral obligations would we have towards it? The rights, treatment, and societal role of such beings would become crucial issues. The prospect of AI consciousness raises questions not just about the future of technology, but the future of humanity itself. As we edge closer to creating machines that might one day reflect our own consciousness back at us, we are prompted to ask, what defines the essence of being? And how will artificial consciousness transform our understanding of intelligence across the universe? As we venture beyond our solar system, the question of extraterrestrial consciousness ignites our curiosity and imagination. If intelligent life exists elsewhere in the universe, what might their consciousness be like? The diversity of life on Earth suggests that, in different environments and under unique evolutionary pressures, the nature of consciousness could vary dramatically from anything we know. Imagine beings evolving on a planet where light is scarce or non-existent. Instead of relying on visuals, their consciousness might be dominated by sounds or even electromagnetic senses, leading to a fundamentally different perception of reality. Their thought processes, communication, and social structures could all be uniquely adapted to their environments. In worlds vastly different from our own, where the chemistry and physics of life diverge from Earth's paradigms, consciousness might not even be centered in a single organism. Consider the possibility of collective consciousness, where intelligence is distributed among a network of beings or even across a planetary system. The varied conditions of extraterrestrial planets also raise the question of how emotion, empathy, and morality fit into the fabric of alien consciousness. On a water world, for instance, beings might develop a profound understanding and empathy for the fluid nature of existence, affecting their philosophical and ethical systems in ways we can hardly imagine. Moreover, the evolution of technology and artificial intelligence by extraterrestrial civilizations could lead to hybrid forms of consciousness. Advanced beings might augment their biological minds with technology, achieving levels of intelligence and understanding unfathomable to humans. These speculations into extraterrestrial consciousness highlight the vast potential for intelligence to manifest in myriad forms across the universe. As we continue to search the cosmos, The discovery of alien life could vastly expand our understanding of consciousness, challenging our most fundamental assumptions about what it means to be aware and alive. As we stand on the brink of unprecedented advances in technology, genetics, and space exploration, the future of consciousness presents a thrilling frontier. What does the evolution of consciousness hold for us on Earth and possibly in the expansive theater of the cosmos? The integration of emerging technologies with the essence of what it means to be conscious heralds a transformative era for intelligent life. In the realm of technology, the next revolutions in artificial intelligence and neural interfaces promise to blur the lines between biological and synthetic consciousness. Imagine a future where human minds seamlessly interact with AI, enhancing cognitive abilities, memory, and sensory experiences. Such advancements could elevate our understanding and interaction with the world, forging new paths in creativity and problem solving. Genetic engineering holds the power to not only eradicate diseases, but also to augment the capabilities of the human mind. Through precise modifications, we might unlock new realms of consciousness, enabling individuals to experience augmented realities or heightened empathic connections. The ethical considerations of such advancements are profound, challenging us to redefine the boundaries of human identity and potential. The final frontier, space exploration, offers an unparalleled canvas for the evolution of consciousness. As humanity ventures beyond Earth's confines, the need for adaptation in the vastness of space could catalyze unforeseen developments in consciousness. Isolated environments, prolonged space travel, and the potential for settling on extraterrestrial worlds might drastically shape human perception, social dynamics, and existential contemplations. Moreover, contact with extraterrestrial intelligence, should it exist, would revolutionize our understanding of consciousness. The exchange of knowledge, culture, and philosophical perspectives with alien civilizations could expand the spectrum of consciousness in ways we have yet to conceive. Such a scenario holds the potential to unite us in a shared quest for understanding across the cosmos. In conclusion, the future of consciousness stretches into horizons rich with possibility and intrigue. From the augmentation of human intelligence through technology and genetics to the profound implications of space exploration and potential extraterrestrial contact, our journey is only just beginning. As we step into this unknown, our perspective on consciousness, intelligence, and what it means to be alive will undoubtedly evolve, promising an exciting era of discovery and transformation. As we conclude our journey through the spectrum of consciousness, we've seen that consciousness is far from a human-centric phenomenon. From the depths of human cognition to the social structures of bees, the emotional depth of elephants, and the problem-solving capabilities of octopuses, consciousness reveals itself in myriad forms, each fascinating in its own right. Our exploration doesn't stop with the natural world. The realms of artificial intelligence and the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life further expand the boundaries of what we consider conscious existence. Understanding consciousness is not only a pursuit of scientific or philosophical interest, but a journey that touches the core of our existence. It prompts us to question not only the nature of our own awareness, but how we connect with, empathize with, and ultimately, how we coexist with all forms of conscious life. The quest to explore consciousness pushes us to expand our minds, challenge our preconceptions, and embrace the complexity and diversity that life in the universe has to offer. As technology advances and our understanding deepens, the future of consciousness exploration holds untold promise. The synthesis of biological and artificial intelligence, the potential for genetically enhanced cognition, and the dream of contacting other conscious beings in the universe pose thrilling possibilities for the expansion of conscious thought and experience. In our pursuit of understanding consciousness, we must remain open-minded and ethical, respecting the vast spectrum of intelligence and awareness that shares this planet with us and possibly the universe. The exploration of consciousness is not just a scientific endeavor, but a reflection on what it means to be alive. As we continue to explore the depths of awareness, we pave the way for a future enriched with deeper connections, understanding, and appreciation for the marvel of conscious existence.